Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set Google as your default search engine in Google Chrome and remove Yahoo completely. First, open your browser. If you try searching for something, for example, HP, and you're getting results from Yahoo, don't worry, we can fix that easily. Click on the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome and go to Settings. Here, we need to make a couple of changes. Start by going to the On Startup section on the left side. Select Open a specific page or set of pages, then click Add a new page. Enter https://www.google.com and click Add. This ensures that Google opens every time you launch Chrome. Next, go to the Search Engine section. Under Search Engine used in the address bar, change it from Yahoo to Google. After that, click on Manage Search Engines and Site Search. Here, you'll see that Google is now set as the default search engine. Once everything is done, close the Settings tab. Now, when you open Chrome or search anything in the address bar, you'll get results from Google instead of Yahoo. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comments if you successfully switched from Yahoo to Google. Your support really helps, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a great day.